Hi, this is Pancho Campo, Master of Wine and President of the Wine Academy of Spain. I am here today with Pere Ferrer, CEO for Freixenet, one of the most important brands not only in Spain but all over the world. Pedro, why do you think cava is making such an impact, especially in the American market?
I think what is great about cava and what is great about our cava, which is Freixenet, is that it's a very good value. I think that has always been the main characteristic of the cava, being a good value. And for Freixenet, I think something that has helped us tremendously has been our package, which is very distinctive. As you know, we have cava in a black bottle, which is the Cordon Negro, and then that makes the brand very easy to be recognized by a consumer. So, I mean, that's an advantage. If the product is good, if it's a good value, it's very easy when a consumer has a taste and likes it to go back to the store and buy it again. I think those two, good value and a very striking package.
Cava has increased tremendously the level of quality in recent years, but something that is very traditional in Catalonia also has to be emphasized. In Catalonia, the Catalanes are used to eat with cava. I think it's important to emphasize pairing different foods with cava. What kind of foods would you recommend that go better with your product?
I think cava all over the world. What most people do in most countries, even in Spain, is they use it for the aperitif. That's what I see in America also, when before starting the dinner, they have a few glasses of cava. But I would recommend the people, no? Like that's something we do in Catalonia, something we've been doing in my family for many years, that is to have cava throughout the lunch. Something that I recommend people to try it, because it will be a surprise how, I mean, I think cava can go well with almost anything.
How is, we're going through difficult times, there's economical crisis, there's changing in trends. What has Freixenet planned for the immediate future?
No, for the immediate future, now we have no plans of expansion. I think we need to consolidate what we have. So we are working hard in growing with the brands that we have. Now, as you know, also, besides the cava in the States, what is very important for us in the United States are our winery in California, Pere Ferrer, which is named after my mother and is a property that we all love, and that has been very successful over the years.
Pedro, thank you very much. And you guys there at the Culinary Institute of America, I hope you enjoy tasting Freixenet with our friend Jesus Bernat. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.